Telegram, how to find groups. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can find groups on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to find groups on Telegram, all you have to do is go and open Telegram. Now depending upon what kind of group you want, if you want a group for the support for your device, if you want an official group or an unofficial group, if you want a certain topic group, every type of group could be available on Telegram. So in this case, let's say I want to actually search a group to discuss about my phone's processor or something like that. I'll simply search for that group name. If you can see any sort of groups available, you can select that groups here and you can tap the join option in order to actually find those groups. So depending upon just what kind of group you want, you can actually search them here and then they'll basically show up here. And remember that channels or groups are two different things. On channels, you can only actually receive updates about a particular channel and you can't really chat with it, but on groups you can talk to everybody. And this way, hopefully you have found out how you can find groups. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.